once again.
Yes, people, hairstyle. Let's pick one, pick one. What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. That's what I say. Another day, another dollar. We're out here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win.
It's three super cousins, and today we're gonna be pulling some pranks. We don't know which pranks to be pulling, so like, give us some pranks. This is Chef Henry's vlog, by the way, so welcome. After prank week, we are gonna do 3 marker challenge. So you can stay tuned for that also. Just to remind.
Yo, fire. They up on the Cumberland side. Portmore. Dog them. People stay true to wealth. Pretty cars, enough money, Gucci belt. Watch her who she fell. Lose everything I see if she don't move to that. Move go with a dead a rich boss with a big yard and a couple couples.
Yeah, me la sé demasiado.
Yeah, you know it's your boy Henry back at it again with another video. Well, clear up my throat for that one, and what's it with us? Needs to take over the blog for the day. So she give me some hairstyles. So I wanna just rate the hairstyle. Which one I wanna say fit? Aye. She do her thing.
But we can't take them chance there again. Take a look at the world.
Yeah man, people, remember to stay tuned for the 3 marker challenge. As I tell you, my niece and my cousin and my son said them take over the channel, so we'll just give them it. So when they can look out for the 3 marker challenge. I go in a 3 marker challenge, so I don't know how it go, but them are gonna show me. So people, let us look out for that.